How you doing, Josh, mate? I hope you're all well, mate. So, yeah, we're gonna quickly do your check-in. We'll do a little nice video one today. So, going by your week, I'd say you've had another really positive week. Just got to keep you motivated, keep that weight chipping off. I mean, you've been dropping quite a lot of weight recently, and the only thing I wanted to say is it might get to the point now where you say this week you've dropped around £4. So been on 2,000 calories for quite a while now, and obviously you mentioned on your checking form that you've got a low, you notice a little change in strength. So moving forward, what I want us to do is push the calories up to 2,100. So you're still going to be in your calorie deficit, but this little bit of extra food is going to give you more energy in the gym and a little bit more strength. So that's going to help you feel more full and push your sessions more. Because one thing we don't want to happen is your sessions to start slacking and you start losing strength. So we want to make sure that you're feeling good in the gym, you're feeling energized, and yeah, still keep things moving in the right direction, still keep that weight coming off. But we just need to, I feel like we need to slow things down just a tiny bit, and then we can always bring the calories back down again if we need to. But I want to show you your fat loss from when we first started. So I'm just kind of dash. So if you have a look, like you have dropped from 255 to 232, so you're about £23 down. So give yourself a massive pat on the back from your progress so far. Like that is, you've had quite a straight road. Like usually it's all up and down. You literally coming all the way down. That's why I wanted to bring the calories down to 2,000. So I wanted to kickstart you in the right direction, get that weight coming off you, get the body to adapt to what we're trying to do, get that weight coming off. Now, I think we're going to slightly move calories back up to 2,100, still get that weight chipping off, and yeah, just keep pushing those sessions. The main thing is you keep pushing your training, keep keep training hard and getting your workouts done. But what I want to go through as well is you said about your, let me find it. You wanted to meal prep to give you more time to focus on everything else you're doing. And honestly, mate, when you start meal prepping, it is a game changer. If you can start planning your meals in advance, then this is going to really allow you to go about your food better. Because there's nothing worse than when you go to work and you don't know what you're going to eat, and then you end up buying something from a shop. So it's better to try and be more like prepared with the meals. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to send you over the nutrition PDF again, and it's just got different how you can plan your meals throughout the day. If you sort of let me know what you like to eat, then we can come up with like some meal ideas that you could eat like for you. So in the morning for breakfast, or what you'd want to take to lunch for work. So it's about creating meals that work for you and what you actually like to eat. I can send you the nutrition PDF and have a look through that. That's got how you can plan your meals out. There's always the recipe back on the app as well. You can have a look through there. But if we just look through your food, then we can start coming up with meals that work for you. And this is going to make the process a lot easier for you and just get you eating regular meals. But going back to your calendar, yeah, I know you mentioned about the tracking. So yeah, just get back tracking your food again. Because obviously from here, I've not been able to see what you've been eating. So you want to get back used to tracking your food, track your cardio. Like you're spot on with the weigh-ins, though, mate. That's perfect. Like you're getting those weigh-ins every morning, which is this helps me and obviously gives you the motivation when you see that weight coming down. So yeah, moving forward, mate, what we're gonna do is push the calories up slightly, and then what else we want to do is get you used to prepping your meals. Try and find out some meals you like. Even if you speak to me and together we come to some sort of idea on how you can create meals for yourself and what actually works. But this will benefit you a lot more and help you in your journey, mate. Once you start getting used to doing it, it is honestly a game changer. But it's all good for now, mate. Keep doing what you're doing, and we're going to get that weight down in no time. But I'll speak to you soon.